Okay, finally, we made it to the very last one. Alright, so this one's way different than the others. So, we just have to kind of change and we got to know what we have here. Alright, so here, the first one we have is a square root. So what's the square root of 25? What times what is 25? What one number multiplied together gets 25? And we know that it's 5. So that's going to be negative 5. Okay? 500%, we change that to a decimal. We move the decimal point. We drop the percent sign, move the decimal point 2 places. And that is 5. All right, the next one is 6 3/8. All right, so we know we have 6 wholes. Okay, so we're going to put the 6 there. But now we have to change 8/3. Now, do you guys remember what 8/3 is equivalent to? Or 3/8, I mean, when we divide. All right, let's add our zeros. Okay, so move our decimal point up. 8 goes into 30 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. Bring down the 0. 8 goes into 60 7 times because 8 times 7 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Add a 0. Bring it down. 8 goes into 40 5 times. Do you remember that? So 6 3/8 is the same thing as saying 6.375. So all I did was keep the 6, and then when I changed the 3/8 to the decimal, I just add that to the 6. And then finally we have 25/4, which we have to do the same thing. We have to divide. Inside divided by outside. But this one we can actually divide. So 4 won't go into 2. So we're not going to put our answer here. But 4 will go into 25. So we know that 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. So this is going to go 6 times. And 4 times 6 is 24. Minus 25 minus 24 is 1. All right, we're going to take it, we'll take it a little bit further. So we're going to add a decimal point and a 0. We're going to bring it down. 4 goes into 10 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Add a 0. Bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So this is 6.25. Don't forget the negative. So if you're going to line all of these up on a number line, and we're going in descending order again, so we're going from greatest to least. Okay. So instead of doing, I'm not pulling out the number line right now. This one, here's a negative, and here's a negative. So negative 5 is bigger than negative 6. So this is our smallest. So this would go first. So that's the first one. The least. Because never mind. Forget it. We're going from greatest to least. My bad. This is the smallest, so this would be fourth. All right, here's the other negative. All right, that would be the next smallest, so that would be third. And now we have to look at these two. What's bigger, 5 or 6? Okay, 6 is the biggest, so that's first, and that's second. All right, we made it through. I know this was a lot, but you kind of have to know how to convert and compare all different kinds of numbers. And this is what you're going to be seeing on your test. So you really need to practice. It's the only way you're going to learn how to do this is to practice, practice, practice. You have these videos that you can go back and you can watch and learn. I mean, it all, you want a good grade? You got to just go back and you got to practice. Just like football. You can't get better unless you practice. All right. Have a good day.